Okay guys, hope you're well. We're going to be looking at a trade on oil this morning, simply because I've opened my mouth in the Scruffy Squad. I'll show you that in just a second. But we've just entered the market short, so let me tell you about it and we'll see how it pans out. Let's roll the intro.
Matron, take them away.
Okay guys, what I'm going to be doing with the channel going forward is I'm going to make these videos relatively quick with the trades, and then I'm going to do additional videos which are mindset, so it's like headshot ones and then trade ones, and you can pick and choose as to what, because when I'm putting them together I'm on, it's like an hour or so, but at least this way it's a little bit quicker. So some are technically based, the others are mindset based and advice. Okay, if you're happy with that, drop it into the comments and I'll continue. Otherwise, if you want them joined back together, I'll do that as well, because I'm trying to make the channel what you want. So where are we going with this, and why is my big mouth in play? I'm still running a trade from yesterday. It was a low ATR trade, which is, I shall show you, it's the Aussie Swissy. It's a little bit underwater, it's not too bad, but it's gone to the levels where we're at. If that gets to that red line, I've got some real problems. But I'm now in what's called damage control. In other words, when this comes into a net positive situation, I'll be looking to get out of it. Now, we're not trading that today, we're not trading that today, we're not trading that today. I'm not trading that, but I am trading this. I will be looking at this, and I'll be trading her as well. Play your cards right, woman, and we'll get some of it expanded. Yes, that's the good old lightsaber. Right, so we're not doing this one either. I'll be doing this one later on today. Indicators, I only ever use basic indicators. So this one I'm going to switch off for now, because I'm going to be doing that later on today. And we've also could have a look at, say, box strategy. So we'll switch these off. Box strategy is this. So let's just kind of, I'll tell you what, we'll clear all these out. Just get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay, let's have a look. The way you work with box strategy is very simple. Look for the range of the 7 o'clock candle. I'm going to take all drawings off this. So that was this candle here. And I'm going to draw a box on it, just like so. Keep an eye on the P&L above me as well. That there, duplicate, that there. And what you're looking for is a break into the box and then you trade it. Okay, so I'll keep half an eye on this on the other screen. Whether I trade it or not, I'm not rightly sure, because I'm entrenched in the other two. I really need to free up some positions, but let's see how we get on. Okay, right, okay, so this is in play. This is a golden eye strategy, not a box strategy. You might get confused. What I've already done with it is, if I come down into here, this is the Discord where we all having a bit of a chat and one thing and another. I've already done the small success this morning. That is there. I am done. I was finished at 7:20 this morning on that, so I don't have to do anything more. It's early days on it, but it's 100% strike rate on that, because it's one trade. We're following the 5-3-1 basis. So that's what I'm doing with that. Happy. But when we were chatting, and I can't remember where it is, it might have been in the asset of the week actually. There we are. They were talking about oil, and I said I would do it this morning. So I said this yesterday. Okay. In the trade ideas, what I've done is a full breakdown of the trade, which is here. Well, there we go. That's a full breakdown of what you're about to see. Now they see this before I've gone to market, and I think that's the fairest way. And then in Scruffy Bias, we drop it into things like this. It's telling me at the time when I was doing that it's neutral. There's no deep trend in it, but this here, it told me there was no trade. This was earlier on this morning. Now things have changed somewhat, because in the video they saw me build this and the dynamics have changed. There's nothing in the deep trend, so we're going to be scalping this thing. So it's going to be low target, around 15-20 pips. It's a risky trade because it's telling me it's risky, which is why I'm being careful. But that became a sell, and it married up with the low time frame sell, meaning it's a low time frame scalp. Okay, that's what this all means. So if I get rid of these, there's your low time frame scalp. Okay, and the idea is just to break through this box down into here. Now if we get 50-60 quid, that's worth like 140 quid if I can get it into this box, but it's a bit scary. It's certainly scary. So I'm just going to monitor it. Anything over 50 quid, 75, I am more than happy. And then that runs on from yesterday. Now we had a bit of a glitch with cable, and a lot of the time it's better just to cut and run. In other words, if you're net positive, don't worry about the red marks. And I'm not. And that's what I'll be doing with the Aussie Swissy as well. As soon as that goes negative, or positive rather, I'll just kill it off. I won't be bothered about the red marks. My principle was still reasonably correct, but sometimes the market forces just, they're not with it. It's a very slow moving market, and it's not one you really want to be sitting in, because it's only got an ATR of 70, and really for all I've done it, I should have left it alone. But I like to back up what I say, and I think that's the fairest thing to do. So we'll play this one out. You may see me go into euro dollar. If I do, I'll split the screen, and if I don't, I'll just leave it on this, and I'll keep an eye on the Aussie as well, because that's probably going to take all day, maybe even into the mid-evening to play out. Catch you all in a bit. There you go, guys. One nicely executed oil trade. We're still in the Aussie Swiss, so I'll be monitoring that throughout the day. It hasn't really moved anywhere, and the euro hasn't triggered in, so there's nothing to worry about that either. Just kind of watch it tootle along. Just flick that over just so you can see it hasn't gone into the boxes, but the trade today was this one, and we were working from this zone into this zone, which it's done and tagged. Fantastic. We were looking for anything beyond 50, 75 quid sort of thing. Our ticket should be gone now, and they are 142 quid. That's it done. That's the day complete for this. So now I'm just looking to get out of the other trade, and I'll just keep monitoring it, and as soon as I get an opportunity to get out, I'm done. I could even just sort of go, well, I've got 380 quid here, I'll just pull the plug on it. But at the moment I don't need to, hasn't done anything, and I still think the trade is correct. So I'll hold it. And that's that. Happy days. So that's my job finished, and it is now just turned 9 o'clock in the morning, and rest of the day to myself, do whatever I need. If there's anything you guys need, drop it in the comments and I'll happily try and address it. And what do you need today? Are you sure? Do you want some of that?
What a lightsaber.
Might get some of it extended. Anyway, boys and girls, hope that helps. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.